So, without missing a beat, let's meet the team who you'll be getting to know over the ups and downs of this year's Premier League season. First up, keeping the creative juices flowing in our midfield, Christian, the beast from the east, Bannister. Next up, our very own Andalusian enforcer, Ash, El Benito, Bennett. He cut his teeth in the school of fantasy football hard knocks. It is Jordan, the Count, Kennerley. And never one to avoid leaving a foot in when getting past the gatekeeper, Max, Tacklus Maximus, Jones. Introducing the fiddler in our engine room and resident fact man, Rob, the Machine, Machin. Dancing through the defence, our very own slice of South American flamboyance, Krissy, Kevin, King. And providing a little extra punch to our striking lineup, it's Michelle, Little Mickey, Little. With a ring name which is more than a touch tricky across the tongue, me, Lawrence, Slim O'Shady, O'Shea.